Many of us are spending more time at home, whether it's working from home or a job change. The key to any successful project for your home is planning. Avoid these 3 costly mistakes in summer renovations. I'm so glad you're watching. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with Remax Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 costly mistakes in summer renovations. Mistake number 1, return on investment. If you're planning on selling your home, make sure you consider your return on your investment. The project may make you very happy. However, many renovations cost thousands, but do not increase the value of your home by the same amount. Mistake number 2, secure permits. In some areas, renovation permits are required. Secure approval and permits before you begin your renovation. It could be costly when you sell your home by not meeting local building codes. Mistake number 3, quality trade-offs. Cutting corners in your renovations by choosing cheaper materials is not always beneficial. Understanding quality trade-offs can boost your home value or cost you money. Using quality materials that fit your budget is likely a better option. Don't make these costly mistakes. Do your research. If you need help, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new home is only a click away.